Hello dear students, I am Bhupendra Das. I am guest lecturer of electronics in Government VYT PG Autonomous College Durg. This video lecture is for MSc Physics 4th semester students of Hemchand Yadav University Durg, Chhattisgarh. In this lecture, I will explain the quantization noise power in PCM from paper 4 unit 5. Now I will start the quantization noise or quantization error. Quantization noise or quantization error both are same. Here I am going to derive the expression for quantization noise power in PCM. If the input is sampled signal in the range of minus mmax to plus mmax, the total amplitude range, that is dynamic range, will be the difference between maximum level and minimum level. Here maximum level is mmax and minimum level is minus mmax. So this difference is called total amplitude range or dynamic range. If this amplitude range is divided into L level of quantizer, then the step size delta is the ratio of dynamic range and quantization level. So here in this case delta is 2 mx by L. If the step size delta is sufficiently small, it is reasonable to assume that the quantization error is uniformly distributed random variable. We have to know for bitwise quantizer, quantization error or quantization power lies in the interval minus delta by 2 to delta by 2. In random process, you may to study about uniform distribution. So, if you plot the uniform distribution function is look like this. Here lower limit is A and upper limit is B. So the area under this particular range should be 1. So the height should be 1 upon B minus A, because this width is B minus A. So if you multiply the height into width, it should be 1. Now the probability density function of uniformly distributed random variable x is denoted by f capital X of small x is equal to 1 upon B minus A in the range of A to B and 0 otherwise. Usually random variable is written by the capital X and small x is value the random variable takes. I am assuming that the error is uniformly distributed from minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2. So in general, lower limit is A and upper limit is B, and probability density function is 1 upon B minus A. Other than this limit, the probability density function is 0. It is a general expression. Now we are going to consider quantization error. So I'm going to use capital Q for random variable and small q for the value it takes. In place the capital X and small x, we use capital Q and small q just to avoid confusion. So, what is the lower limit here? The lower limit is minus delta by 2 and upper limit is delta by 2. So, substitute these in this formula. The probability density function 1 divided by b value is delta by 2 minus a value is minus delta by 2. That will be 1 by delta. This is 1 by delta. So, if the quantization error follow uniform distribution, it is the probability density function. So, this is the expression of probability density function of the quantization error. So, what is our objective? We have to find noise power. Okay. So, first let me find out the mean and then I am going to find out variance. You know, we are representing mean with mu equal to expectation of q because q is random variable. If x is random variable and if you want to find out mean of x, then expectation of x is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity small x fx dx. This is the general expression for mean. Now I am going to change this as per our variable. Here the limits are minus delta by 2 to delta by 2. Instead of small x, here we have cube, and instead of f of x we have 1 upon delta. Here 1 by delta is constant, so I am taking this outside. Integration of cube is q square by 2. Here the lower limit of q is minus delta by 2 and upper limit of q is delta by 2. Now substitute the upper and lower limit. We have delta square by 4 minus delta square by 4, that is 0. So the mean become 0. Now I will find out the variance. So usually in random process, sigma square used for variance and sigma used for standard deviation. So variance sigma square is equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole square. Here x is cube and x bar is mu. So the expression for sigma square is this. Now what about mu is 0. So this is just expectation of cube square. Now we know the general expression for mean is expectation of x is equal to minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Now if we want to write the general expression for variance, we just square the x. So this is the general expression for variance. Now I am going to change this as per our variable. Here the limits are minus delta by 2 to delta by 2. Instead of x square we have cube square. Instead of probability density function fx we have 1 by delta. Now integrate this cube square, we have cube by 3. Here the lower limit of cube is minus delta by 2 and our upper limit of cube is delta by 2. Now substitute these limits. We have 2 delta cube by 8. Here 2 1 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8. Finally we have the variance sigma square equal to delta square by 12. This is the quantization noise variance or quantization noise power.